If you have diabetes, then keep in mind that your breakfast choices can make or break your blood sugar levels. I'm going to share with you 5 fantastic recipes of Indian breakfast options that are high in fiber, protein and fats. Not only will they keep you full for longer, but they will also keep your blood sugar levels in check. Hello, this is Fit Chef, your fit guide to a fit life. So what kind of breakfast is the best for diabetics? A breakfast that's full of fiber, because first of all, fiber slows down the glucose absorption. Second, it should have good amount of protein because that's what's going to keep you full for longer. And third, have got to be good fats. Good fats support insulin production. An important thing to remember is to avoid refined carbs and sugars early in the morning, as this spikes your blood sugar levels. Instead, go for carbs that are complex with a lower glycemic index, as this will give you more stable blood sugar levels. Here are my top 5 diabetic-friendly Indian breakfast options. I'm starting off with sprouted moong dal chilla, which pairs perfectly with a homemade coriander chutney. This option is packed with protein and fiber. It keeps you full for long, and you can add some extra grated vegetables in the batter for vitamins and minerals. At number 2, we have oats and flaxseed upma. It pairs really well with coconut chutney. Always choose oats that are gluten-free and be very moderate about the amount of oats that you're going to consume early in the morning. Pairing it with a coconut chutney and sprinkling some powdered flaxseed will ensure good fats that will keep your insulin levels in check. What I love about oats is that it's packed with beta-glucan, which is a soluble fiber that helps control your blood sugar. And flax seeds, they are packed with omega-3. This makes it for a star combination, and it's something that you should be consuming at least once a week. At number 3, we have sattu chilla with Greek yogurt. This is a fantastic choice, as sattu is made out of 7 grains and cereals. It's packed with protein and it has a low GI, which makes it a perfect option for diabetics. Combining it with Greek yogurt gives you a boost of protein and probiotics, so it makes it gut friendly too. This is one of those options that should definitely be a part of your diet. Most Indian households make Besan Cheela, but instead, if you go with half besan and half sattu, you will be having a more nutritious option. It reduces your carb intake and it increases your nutritional profile. Coming in at number 4 is Ragi Dosa with coconut chutney. Now in this option, I have a few little tips and tricks that can make it super nutritious. Ragi, first of all, is low GI. It's packed with calcium and is a great option to go for in the morning. But what you can also do is you can add some vegetables, some grated cheese or grated paneer inside your dosa, which won't just make it delicious, but also super nutritious. Have it with coconut chutney. As coconut is packed with good fats, it keeps your blood sugar levels in control. At number 5 is my go-to breakfast. It's Greek yogurt with a combination of nuts and seeds. This is packed with protein, micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. And the best part is that it has 0 carbs. So to summarize, I'd like to highlight 3 essential habits that every diabetic should look into. 1, prioritize protein and fats in your breakfast. 2, incorporate light movement after every single meal. And 3, it is very important to include healthy fats in every meal, whether it's avocado, whether it's ghee, whether it's nuts, whether it's seeds. Having a well-rounded diet is the key to success. Let me know which was your favorite diabetic-friendly option and what you're going to try out first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for a lot more science-backed information and power-packed tips. I will see you in the next video.